Go and see the Bristol Classic Motorcycle Show. Wow, look at that. KH250, and it looks absolutely immaculate. So it was a two-stroke, so what that means to you is you'd have to mix petrol and oil with it. But being a two-stroke, it revs really, really fast. So pretty fast for a 250cc bike. Look at that, even the chrome, it's beautiful. Even the exhaust system is beautiful. You can see how different and how much better Kawasaki suspension was compared to a lot of British motorcycles back then. And spring is chrome. It looks beautiful. And the reason why you had this was because, you know, back in the day, you felt safe enough that if you needed to hang up your helmet and go into a shop or go and get a coffee or a cup of tea, you could hang your helmet on that and not feel like someone's going to come along and steal your motorcycle or your helmet, which is just something that was a thing back then. Even the clocks, look at that. 8,500 RPM for a two-stroke. Kawasaki colours as well. God, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Have you ever seen a motorcycle like that? Enormous. God, it's super bag to see here. 1200 cc's. That was pretty much it. There was a lot of different motorcycles to see from all sorts of different eras, and it was fine. Nice little adventure. It was nice. Thanks for watching. Now, let's go and see if there are other motorcycles to see, or let's head back to base. Thanks for watching anyway.